Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to show you another tool that I used for AI. I took a plain tree that I had and I put in a prompt asking it for things to put around my tree to make it look better. I needed a reference photo. Well, I realized pretty quickly that the prompt I asked for wasn't working. Still, I went through the variety of different AIs and asked the same question, but finally I asked for a mock-up. I needed a visual. The results are in. This was ChatGPT. Very pretty. This is Claude. Failed miserably. It didn't even take my tree and put it into the picture. So this one was Gemini, and I loved it. But I didn't like the fence breaking up the painting or, acting like a barrier, so I asked it to add a path. Overall winner. That was the inspiration I needed. It saved a lot of time from going to the internet and searching for reference photos. So here is my before AI and after. So I changed it slightly, but I love the results. Head over to my website for more AI inspiration and painting tutorials.